Welcome to my YouTube channel GAMAARZ. Today, we get review about Drill Scrubber Brush Kit. Title: Transform your cleaning routine with the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit. As someone who's always on the lookout for innovative cleaning solutions, the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit has been a game changer in my household. This versatile and powerful cleaning accessory has revolutionized the way I tackle tough stains and grime, making the daunting task of scrubbing surfaces a breeze. The kit comes with a variety of brush attachments designed to fit most household drills, turning the ordinary power tool into a high-performance cleaning machine. The brushes are made of durable nylon bristles that effectively scrub away dirt without causing damage to surfaces. The set includes a flat brush for large surface areas, a round brush for contours and corners, and a cone brush for hard-to-reach spots, providing a comprehensive solution for different cleaning needs. What sets this kit apart is its compatibility with cordless drills, making it a convenient and cord-free solution for various cleaning applications. The brushes easily attach to the drill, and the rotating power does the hard work, saving time and effort compared to manual scrubbing. This is a game changer, especially for those deep cleaning sessions where elbow grease alone doesn't cut it. I was particularly impressed with the effectiveness of the brushes on different surfaces. From scrubbing away soap scum in the bathroom to tackling grease and grime in the kitchen, the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit proved its versatility. The nylon bristles are tough on stains but gentle enough not to scratch surfaces, making it suitable for use on tiles, grout, tubs, sinks, and even outdoor surfaces like decks and patio furniture. Another noteworthy feature is the durability of the brushes. After multiple uses, the bristles maintained their integrity and showed no signs of wear. This durability ensures that the kit provides long-lasting value, making it a worthwhile investment for those who prioritize quality cleaning tools. The time-saving aspect of the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit cannot be overstated. What would have taken me hours to scrub manually was accomplished in a fraction of the time with the drill attachment. This not only makes the cleaning process more efficient but also motivates me to tackle cleaning tasks more frequently, knowing that I have a powerful tool at my disposal. While the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit has proven to be an invaluable cleaning companion, it's essential to exercise caution and choose the appropriate brush attachment for different surfaces. The high rotation speed of a drill can be too aggressive for delicate materials, so it's advisable to start with a lower speed setting and test in an inconspicuous area. In conclusion, the Drill Scrubber Brush Kit has earned its place as a must-have cleaning tool in my household. Its compatibility with cordless drills, durable construction, and versatile brush attachments make it a standout product in the realm of cleaning accessories. If you're looking to revolutionize your cleaning routine and achieve professional-level results with minimal effort, this kit is a worthy addition to your arsenal of cleaning tools.